All right, everyone, welcome to the South down in Georgia. And we're over here sitting on our front porch on the swang.
很热哎。
Yeah, it's pretty hot down here in the swamps now. Hello friends, this is Jordan.
Hey, this is Joyce.
Alright, so today we're back over in Dashi.
对，我们又来到大溪了。你知道我来过大溪很多次，可是呢，到现在我才发现说，哦，原来大溪真的很多可以拍摄的景点。
Yeah, so many places so far.
我们今天要介绍哪一座佛寺呢？
Well, okay. This is actually the oldest temple in Dashi.
哦，你是说斋明寺吗？
Yes, ZhaiMing Temple.
OK， 那听说你有做了一下功课，那你介绍一下吧。
Well, okay, so it was built by a farmer over 160 years ago.
Wait, farmer？ 哦，所以它不是一开始是属于法鼓山的吗？
Yes, no, yes, no.
Yes, no. 好，那其实我也只知道一
Hold
点
on,
点。
let me read the subtitles on that one.
Yeah. 好，那据说呢是这边的第一任住持呢，他当初是从南海普陀山请来观世音佛像来这边修行。那我们知道的圣严法师，他是算是这边的第7任住持哦。
Oh, no wonder. It was actually in 2013 awarded as one of Taiwan's top 100 cultural sites. And I can see why.
对。
If you come to this temple, although it is a smaller temple and a little out of the way, it has all the essentials. The main focus here is for peaceful and quiet reflection.
对，你除了这样，你还觉得有什么感觉呢？
Oh, of course, tranquility.
对啊，因为我觉得佛寺呢，一般给人家就是很祥和自在，然后很安静的一个感觉。对，所以蛮喜欢来佛寺的。还有什么呢？
No, I think that's about covers it from what I know. So I think we should actually just go and take a look at the temple.
好，那我们现在来认识一下斋明寺吧。
ZhaiMing Temple is the oldest Zen temple in Dashi. At the end of the Daoguang era, a local farmer, Li Ajia, went to the Fayu Temple in Putuo Mountain, Zhejiang, to become a monk. After he came back, he built a Buddhist temple in this cottage for his personal practice. The main worship is Guanyin Bodhisattva. After 7 generations of abbots, ZhaiMing Temple has witnessed 3 dynasties and still maintains its simple appearance. Avalokitesvara Bodhisattva, enshrined in the century-old ZhaiMing Temple, is watching the stream running day and night. 100 years ago in Taiwan, the faith of Zhaijiao was prosperous. With the trend of the times, Buddhist dojos were gradually protected by believers of Zhaijiao, so that in addition to the first abbot of ZhaiMing Temple, Master Xingyue, the 5 subsequent abbots were all Zhaijiao laymen. In response to the current situation of the Japanese government, the 5th abbot, Lei Jiangpugan, applied to join the liaison temple of Caodong sect in Japan and changed its name to ZhaiMing Temple. In 1998, the 6th abbot, Jiang Huiguan, made ZhaiMing Temple able to renovate, rebuild, and develop sustainably. He resolutely invited Fa Gushan to undertake the legal affairs of ZhaiMing Temple. On January 22, 1999, Fa Gushan took over the legal affairs. ZhaiMing Temple finally returned to the original vision of Master Xingyue and returned to Buddhist orthodoxy.
The concept of pure land on earth advocated by Fa Gushan can be seen everywhere in ZhaiMing Temple. The main hall of the monastery and the dragon on both sides, which feature the traditional architecture of the Sanheyuan style in southern Fujian, stand humbly in the natural beauty surrounded by all sides, such as budding lotus flowers with a simple and elegant temperament, echoing the kind face of Guanyin, gently caressing visitors and devotees here. People and nature people and the environment coexist harmoniously and merge into a beautiful scenery of pure land on earth. Hey Jordan, what are today's vocabulary words?
Out of the way, location description. Orthodox, religious context. Dojo, temperament. Devotee, state adjectives plus EE equals a noun. Merge, harmony. Tranquil, reflect, introspective usage. Cover, figurative usage.